What up, mongrels? Loaded up Isla again. Me and the good lady have popped out for the night. Something a little bit different tonight though. We're not actually going to be staying in Isla. I'll take you to where we're staying and show you about in a bit. As you can see, the road up there isn't that good. But we're in a local Isle of Wight campsite. I paid for it, I've booked it, no freebies here. Look at that. You've got solar showers. Obviously not going to be in use at the moment. Compost toilets. What do you reckon, bub?
I'm cold.
We've parked nice and close just in case the thing we're staying in isn't too warm. We'll jump back in the van and turn the diesel heater on. Anyway, I've got to go now. What? They're not my slippers, obviously they're old man slippers, but take them anyway, just to keep your feet warm. Right, so let's have a little look what you get. 65 quid a night. Got a vent up there. Not sure what you can and cannot see. Got a old sea hag with a sheepskin there.
It's a bit rude.
Big old fire. Round the corner here, which we've covered up because we don't need them. Got some bunk beds. Loads of room for moving around and some midnight manoeuvres. Jackie darling.
Midnight manoeuvres?
Midnight manoeuvres.
Is that a new term for it now, is it?
Bow chicka bow wow. So yeah, we're going to whack a movie screen up, watch a movie, take the dog for a walk in a bit, crank the fire up. Jack's going to cook me some proper scoff on the air fryer. I am not cooking this time. We're not in the camper van. And it's going to be a good old time. Really short video, I hope. Don't you hope?
What, hope for what? What am I hoping for?
I don't bloody know what you're hoping for.
What I've thrown away. Where the hell I've ended up on this glary random day. The things I really cared about.
So yeah, a great little camp spot. You can rent out them dome geodesic yurt type things. You can rent hammocks off them, sling them up in the woods. Bring your own hammock, put tents up, bring your camper vans in. Very boggy at the minute, but it is the middle of January. She don't care, she's on a yomp. Looking forward to it though. Lovely dog walks around. Pub just up the road, which we won't be going to because we have got some rum baba with us.
I thought you were going to say something else there.
What?
No, you normally come up with some crap.
She's an absolute joy. This is why I bring her. She shows me love all the time and cuts me off on the path.
Oh God, what have I done? Don't you know I'm not man, knowing I can't feel a thing at all. Everything smiles in business these days, and I'm indifferent to the loss. A faith that there's a soul somewhere that's leading me around. I wonder if she knows which way is down. Here I stand, sad and free. Now I can cry, now I can see what I've done. Oh God.
Great to get a bit of distance under your legs and fresh air in your face. I've got nothing really to say. I just wanted to catch my wife falling over in that bog hole. Come on, darling.
Why does it look like it got worse when we first came over? And that's, why does it have to be really...
Come on. Bobblehead. No pressure, don't fall. There's a log, nice slippy log, tread on that. You're making that look really hard.
It's not that.
You deserve to fall. Ed. Suck it up, buttercup.
Slumped over in a vacant room, and on a stranger's knee. At home they must think I lost my mind. And here I stand, sad and free. And I can cry, and I can see what I've done. Oh God, what have I done? Evaporating.
Why can't I?
Evaporating.
Why are you always eating? No need to spit on me, is there? Her ladyship is demanding a milky coffee. Unfortunately, I've only got to pour over coffee things, so we're going to have to pour hot milk through my coffee, making it minging for later. You can wash it up, can't you, my love?
So I've got to cook and wash up?
Correct. I'm grinding here.
I don't like your technique. How long have you got to do that for?
Until all the beans are gone.
How do you know?
Because the beans will no longer be in there. You're no fucking mastermind, are you? Do you want a grindy bit?
No.
No, I didn't think you would. Yeah, not a bad little spot. Could do with like a kettle for the stove or something, or a different sort of stove so you can boil up rather than having to
that
go
would
outside.
be a good idea, really, because it's wasted otherwise, isn't it? Wasted heat.
Luckily, I've got my jet boil, an air fryer,
And power bank.
and power bank. What are you cooking tonight, anyway?
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah.
What happens to me when I eat pizza?
You literally got the words. You're fine.
There's toilets
Literally.
just there, you dirty mare.
Oh, yeah.
Just your
toilets.
flat head. Just it. Go on, Nithy. Yep, you look like Medusa.
I've had a... No, I really don't care. I've had a hat on.
I've had hat on.
I've had a hat on. If you took yours off...
I'm bald.
I know you are. You're just jealous of my hair. Look. Big. Oh. No. Oh, stop it.
If this works, it'll be ace.
For once, can I just eat some grain?
I'm filming the fire. Ain't my fault you're always eating. Oh.
Healthy.
Yeah. Not when you eat a ton of them. Explain to the good folks at home what you're doing.
I'm making bagel pizzas.
With what ingredients?
Pepperoni.
Can't believe you had to look at the packet for that.
Cheese.
What sort of cheese?
Olives, mozzarella and cheddar. Because you've got to have that stringy God, can you get the light out of my face?
Not if people see you, no.
Do they have to see me?
And what else did you want to put on this pizza?
Rocket.
You weirdo.
Why is that weird?
Rocket on a pizza?
Do you want rocket on yours or not?
Yeah.
Right. Really don't need your help with this.
I'm not helping.
Well, you're not helping, but you're... Do I need that in my face? No.
It's not on your face.
It is.
Stop arguing.
Right, at least the dog's eating the cheese.
Great, his arse will be lovely later.
It's got me as any worse than yours.
None of those are words.
I don't care. Oh, you're such a dick. Joyce.
Shut up, kid.
Burn, baby.
Burn?
Eyesight. Skank.
That don't look too bad considering.
I made these for the boys for the packed lunches.
Air fryer, Bluetti AC180.
Bugger off.
You doing mine in a minute?
That is yours.
Oh, okay. I was leaving down here to call for a bit. Nom 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 nom. Nice and crispy rocket on there, darling.
Oh, God. No.
Yeah, it was.
Always about girth.
So, what do you reckon to our little love hut?
I quite like them actually. I could possibly live in one of these full time. Well, if you've got a view like that, we've got a curtain to separate our rooms.
You take the big boys with you.
No, me and you separate. That's my side, that's your side. I've got the entrance.
I know you have.
But you've got the fire.
You know.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, that's yours.
You're going to get pissed up and rest.
When did you get this up? The 40s, nearly 50s.
You are.
You're gone halfway.
You're a year off.
Yeah, I am. And
In March, you're in your 50th year, you old bitch.
yeah.
Not a bad view from our bed tonight, is there? We're going to whack a film on in a minute, I think. Jack's in her natural habitat, sweeping. Turn that light on.
I'm putting my sheepskin rug down. I do not want it.
Sheepskin rug's going down. That can only mean one thing.
For the dog.
I know exactly what it was for. Yeah, so let's set this projector up. When the girls say bowl, projector. So that's all set up, lovely job. Turn my light on so you can see me. Gonna probably chill out. Jack's just got into a seducative lingerie, so here comes a thumbnail of my, you know, sexual sensual. Oh no, she's dressed as Ted.
Yeah!
You comfy there?
I am.
Oh.
Fire.
Anyway, that's our dirty weekend sorted. I'm going to do a bit of bear wrestling as if I'm Habib, sorry, and we'll watch film. Watch film.
Yeah.
You getting in bed watching a film?
No. Fine.
I just
And
wanted
it's
to.
what?
I
Not
just wanted
even-
to stroke it.
6 o'clock?
I just wanted to stroke it.
Stroke what, the doggy? Oh.
I was talking about my furry wife.
Oh. You can stroke it later. Ah! Okay, no.
I don't know what I'm doing. I've been on the rum. Oh, so
Still doing it. Ah!
I need light.
Oh, can't you put the light somewhere else?
What? What world are you in? Right. Me and Teddy Ruxpin have had a proper good night. She's
Teddy
been.
Ruxpin.
That's what I said.
No, you didn't.
What did I say?
I don't know, but what's that?
All right,
I
Squawky.
had one.
You've had more than one bottle, haven't you? So we had on our second film of the night. Just went out to let the dog turn his bike around, and it is bloody freezing. Toasty in here. Fire on the go. Another film. Probably going to get into bed in a bit. What do you reckon?
No.
Oh.
Got fire.
Yeah, it's like sleeping with Chewbacca at times, I tell you.
I'm not sleeping in this though, am I?
So yeah, we're laughing because I had to cut something out and you don't need to see it. Yeah, going to bed. Probably see you in bed or in the morning.
You're just waffling
I know,
shit.
it's good, isn't it?
No, not really.
Tell them what you just said then.
I'm really hot. I need to take this off.
Okay.
Not now.
Oh. Yeah, she went, because it's proper blowy outside, I'll probably mention that. It's proper blowy outside, and this fecker just said to me, if a tree falls down and kills us both, she's going to haunt me. She don't get how haunting works, I'd be dead as well. I'd be dead as well.
Yeah, but you'll be going to hell. I'll be going to heaven.
So you'd have to come to hell to haunt me?
No. Not necessarily.
You haven't thought this through, have you?
No, I'll still find you.
She'll still find me. Right. Oh, the wind is proper picking up out there, but I've got to say, this thing has not moved at all, has it?
Oh, stop talking to me.
Ted's in bed and she's bleeding stroppy as always. I've really enjoyed the night. I reckon you have and all.
Oh, I'm not that light. You need to get a better light.
How do I get a better light?
Far, far away.
I wish you were far, far away. Anyway, I'm going to try and impress upon her the need for a struggle cuddle. And I'll be seeing you lot in the morning, maybe.
If we survive, we might get a tree fall on us or something.
Oh, stop fretting
I
and
might
go
not
to
be here. My last days on Earth might be with you, which is not good.
That was always the plan. That's why we got married, you knobhead.
Oh, I didn't marry you.
My last days on Earth might be with you.
It's not a good thought.
How mean can one woman get? Anyway, let's boink.
No. No boinking.
Good night.
Bye.
Good morning. It's 6 o'clock. The wind has been howling all bleeding night. My good lady's got no...
My husband can't talk.
Her husband can't talk. My good lady got no bleeding sleep. So I'm just getting up now and she's already walked all the power packs and everything down to the van and had a bit of a tidy up and he's sitting there just itching to go. But we're not going just yet because it's pitch black. Gotta have a coffee. How about a coffee? How was your night?
I didn't sleep. But apart from that, I quite like them. It's no difference from sleeping up in our bedroom with the noise and stuff.
We had a good night though, didn't we?
No, it's nice. It's nice. I'm loving the fire.
Movie night.
The movie night was good.
I mean, you're sitting there, by the looks of it, you've got a big bag of frazzles next to you, which is not like you. Is that your breakfast? Nice bag of frazzle breakfast.
Empty.
Empty bag of frazzle breakfast.
My husband scoffed them all last night. I think he gave me a couple. That was about it.
Are you fibbing?
No, definitely not. I don't fib.
Make sure you don't get your hair in that fire.
You leave my hair alone. You're just jealous because I have hair.
A little bit rude. Yeah. I need to get dressed and you don't need to see me in my pants.
Right, nobody wants to see that, Lee. Especially your pants.
See you in a bit. Right. So goodbye to the dome.
Sad because it's nice.
You enjoyed it?
I enjoyed the dome.
It was a top night. Me and the missus had a laugh. Now we've got to walk down the real bog to get in the van and hopefully not get bogged in.
Yeah, well, I'm going to meet you at the end of the path.
Look at her with her little light. Miss Willie Winky. Top night was had by all. Went and used their loos, which are over there. Don't know if you can see them because it's still bleeding dark.
Dark.
It is for the camera.
Oh.
Anything for a row with you, innit?
No, I'm just saying it's not dark.
Oh. And we're off home to see the kids. Jack's going to make me a fry up. So until next time, ta-ra!
Bye.
Isla, let's hope she starts.